Welcome to the Unexpected Off-Road. Follow me on my off-road journey with my Hummer H2, going places where people don't expect me to go. The trail we're on today is very tight, and I was warned several times about possibly not making it because of two washouts, which one of them we're coming up to, and we're stopping to check it out here.
There's one, watch your roof. You're good on the roof, just, can you see it on the way?
Yeah, this cut out. This washout is on the left side of the road, and it makes it quite a bit tight to get through here. Just had to kind of hug the right to sneak by this washout, and it was pretty steep down the side there. This is the next big washout we're coming up to. This one's on the right. It's really undercut the road, as you can see here just in this picture. Once again, we're checking it to make sure it's safe, that we can safely pass by here. I had to hug to the left on this side here to get past this washout. And just like that, we made it right by. As you can see, the tires are pretty close to the edge of the washout.
A little bit more pinstripe to add to the collection.
Yeah. The overgrown brush here really starts to make the trail pretty tight as we're going through here. Getting a lot of pinstripes on the way through here. This is pretty typical for the trails we run into in British Columbia here. Just they get overgrown so much so quickly.
Yeah. I don't think it's down across the road, is it?
To me, like it is.
You want what you call cut it out of the way? Somebody's cut it. It wasn't this grown in when I went through last year, but then again, this is in the spring rain.
I don't know if you might want to cut it. Let's see if it goes through.
Look at what you did it.
It opens right up. The brush back there sounds like a car wash. It's just running right down the sides of your truck. We typically run into a lot of deadfall on the trails, and that's part of the maintenance we try to do, is we just try to clear the logs back out of the way far enough to where it's not a danger to anybody. Just like that, you're out of here, log. Sorry, tree, I'm gonna have to run you over.
Yeah. Yeah, if you had someone up here with you come up with, just cut back the brush. You probably wouldn't need to do much on the road, just brush cutting, right?
That could take all day. Jeez.
Well,
cut.
you can get those. You had some.
Those bush hogs, are they flipping sideways?
Yeah. You're smoking.
This is where you have to be prepared for the unexpected. So basically the heater core line came loose and had to wait for it to cool off a bit to get the hose back on. Obviously the smoke, that's just from the coolant hitting the exhaust. The weather can change up here in the high elevations pretty quick. It's just starting to pick up rain here. I wish my wipers were better. Obviously it's not wiping the windshield very well, so I apologize for that. Well, once again, we had to stop because it started smoking again. This time the heater hose broke completely off of the fitting, so then I had to make a fix here where it'd be a lot more permanent so we could finish our trail ride here. Took a pair of old vice grips and crimped the line. Put a zip tie around the end of it just for a safety to keep it together. I didn't want it to come off again. Smoking once again.
map it sure looked a lot shorter, but I guess you just wind around.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, here we are. We made the summit. Stopping at this old fire tower for a lunch break. Had some good times with friends. Thanks for checking out my video, and have some new adventures come out soon. Hit that like button and give us a subscribe. Thanks again for checking us out. More videos will be out soon.